In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account on Wise, following a few simple steps. So, let's get started. First, you have to go to wise.com and log in into your profile. Once you have successfully logged in, you have to look for your name or your initials in the top right. Click there and you have a few options: Statements and Reports, Settings, Help Center, and Logout. You're going to click on Settings. Now, you're going to click on the third option that says Connected Accounts. Scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, I don't have any bank accounts connected. So, in order to connect a new account, you're going to click on Connect Your Bank Account. Now, you have to choose your bank account location. For example, I have the option to select US, Canada, or the UK. I'm going to select the United States, and I'm going to choose a manual verification. You can also use an instant one. Now, it will ask you your routing number, your account number, and to select if the account is a checking or a savings one. You can also choose a nickname for your account to make it easier to identify it. Once you've completed this, click on Confirm and keep following the next steps. You can also go to the Recipients menu and add a recipient. Click on Myself, and now you have to select the currency of the bank account you want to link. And now, for example, if I choose US dollars, it will ask me for my account data. You can either do it via ACH, via Wire, or via Swift. Once you've done with that, click on Continue and your account will be added to your list of accounts. If the video was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. See you on the next one.